Okay, we're looking at the Higround's Keyboard Apex version. This is Wraith. This is how it looks. Quick sound check. This uses TTC Venus switches. This is how it looks on the bottom. You can clearly see the Venus switches there and on the sides. Comes with stickers, cable, braided keycap puller, switch puller. The only negative I would give this keyboard is why it doesn't have a plastic cover on top. If it's such a beautiful, expensive keyboard, it just comes with that. For me, it's not okay. Other than that, I would give it a recommendation because the switches itself that is using TTC Venus, they are quite expensive, like 40 euros. So they are putting proper switches, not like Cherry MX and stuff like that. Yeah, goodbye.